Guests get to experience authentic Galveston Island cuisine in the historic Strand district. Each group has a maximum 16 people to create a fun and interactive experience. Easy walking, multi-stop, food tasting sightseeing experience. We specialize in public tours, however we also have private and corporate tour options. Exploring Galveston is not complete without a visit to downtown Strand district. We've chosen a variety of stops which really showcase Galveston Island's foodie scene. Guided food walking tour and tastings will please locals and tourists alike. Total duration about 4 hours of truly authentic local Texas Gulf Coast flavors. Try everything from Italian, Greek, American, seafood, German and more. Tours are currently available on Thursday, Friday, and Saturdays. Have a mini foodie excursion for one of the many things to do on the island. Book your tour online at tasteofthestrand.com or call 409-599-5425 for more information or to set up a private tour.